Hello, my name is Kadek Celsi Obelia with student ID number 21120211223. Right now I'm gonna show you how to load the film to the camera Kodak M38. First, press down the left latch to open the camera's back door. Lift up the film rewind crank. Next, prepare whatever film you purchase. In my case, I use Kodak Color Plus film. One box comes with one of 36 exposure roll of Kodak film with ISO 200. This film is best for daylight photography. Then, when inserting the film, insert the flat surface to the upper part of the film canister. Pull out the film and hook to the second hole onto the spool. Then slightly advance film by turning the advance wheel. Ensure that the film laid flat against the center of the camera and close the back door of the camera. Open the battery door and insert one AAA battery. Make sure that the battery is inserted according to the correct polar. After that, before taking picture, continue to advance the wheel until it stops at number 1. To activate the flash, slide the lever to the right and wait until the lights turn red. Finally, the camera can be used to take pictures. Thank you.